Hello! Today I got some happy mail from Beth in Canada. She is, yes, I made it myself. And let's unbox it. So let's see if I can open it up. Okay, I must be very careful. Don't want to destroy something. Oh. Okay. So let's see. Oh, Beth! Oh, the color is so beautiful, Beth. Some folders. Thank you so much. Oh, this is nice. Oh, some cardstock. Oh, lots of goodies. Oh, these are great. Some ephemera from a local, what is it? Oh, it's musicals. Oh, thank you, Beth. This is so cute. Oh, the pages are, they feel so good. Some old book page. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the sparkling. Oh, this is nice. A secret garden. Ah, Beth knows that I love maps. Oh, she got me a map from Canada. Oh, Beth, this is so nice. Oh, very. Oh, this is so good. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, another one. Oh, the color is so good. Pretty. And this one is in French, I think. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, fabric leaves. Oh, the color is gorgeous. Beautiful color. And some ephemera. Oh, there's more. Oh, stickers. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, canvas, a canvas tag. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is from a local shop, I think. Oh, this is a note. Thank you, Beth. Oh, this is a nice card. The scalloped edge. Very beautiful. Oh. I've got some sparkling silver in it. Oh, these feathers are so pretty, Beth. So this is for the lighthouse lovers, Beth says. Oh, this is very nice. I love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. And this is the envelope. Oh, and another one. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. And more folders. Oh, this color is so, so nice. Ah, this must be some leftovers for her, from her crafting. Some cardstock from the folders. And some brown ones. Oh, Beth. This is so, so nice. I love the maps. So this is everything, whoops, I got from Beth. Oh, this is so nice, Beth. Thank you so, so much. I love it. All the goodies, lots of goodies. Thank you so much, Beth. Bye.